beginning.
Hello, cuz. I'm just getting my petrol started. I'm gonna show you how you do it, cuz. First of all, you get your glow plug starter that it generates the engine. You put it in the engine, but before you do that, make sure you just put this just a fraction, accelerate just a fraction. So it's in.
Hang on, we're doing a video, cuz.
So now you pull this up and down like a lawnmower. But see how it's gone? See, look. Sometimes it might slowly go to the side, like if you go straight ahead. Well, that's because you haven't adjusted it yet. Right here, these two buttons help you adjust it to go straight, the way you like it. And then if you want to do some jumps like that, well, yeah, you're crazy. You shouldn't do that. Oh, what the fuck is